Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you how to create color drop-down list, and it can be change the color based on the task. Not started, as an example, red, completed, green, in progress, yellow. So let's say you have this menu and you want, instead of writing them manual and color them as an example, manual or complete green. First of all, we'll go to data and then data validation and click on data validation, and then here click on list and then type the list that you want. As an example, in progress, then add comma, complete, add comma, and not started. Complete, in progress, complete. So click OK now. Now you will find here that in progress, complete. If you click here and repeat, you'll find that you duplicate the work for entire table. Now, how to change it? You will go to home, you click the first one, you will go to conditional format, and then choose equal to, and then type complete, and then change here to custom format and make it green. So now, this is okay. Now you want to change to the second one, in progress. Click on in progress, repeat, conditional, and equal to, and type in progress, and then choose here custom format and select yellow and click OK, and then go to not started and again conditional equal to, click not started and go again to custom format and then red and click OK. So now if you change it to in progress or complete, it will become correct. So drag this entire table. So now if your work is in progress or if this work is not started, you can highlight it automatically. Thank you very much.